cuboid has side lengths in the ratio 2 to 3 to 7. Find its dimensions if its volume is 2,688 centimeters cubed. Okay, so first thing we have to take into account is 2, 3, and 7. Now 2, 3, and 7 are all just multiples of the actual lengths of this cuboid. Now, in order to find the volume, we will have to use a variable. Most commonly by mathematicians is the letter k or x. So in this video, we'll just use k. Now, the reasoning for this is because we don't know what the actual multiple of each number is. So by finding the value of k, we'll then know what these numbers are multiplying by. So in order to find it out, we have to write down the equation to find the volume of a cuboid, which is length by width by height. So now we have to put this in the format of this. So multiplying all of these together and then allowing this to equal to the given amount, given total amount, is 2,688. We will then solve for the variable. So all of these multiplied together gives us 42k cubed. Let this equal to 2,688. And then I'm going to move this 42 to the other side. And in this section, the 42 is multiplying by the k. If I move it to the other side, it will be doing the opposite. So, which is division. So, k cubed will give us 2,688 all over 42. And once you solve for that, you should get 64. Now, to eliminate this cubed, we are going to have to solve for the cubed square of 64. So, to solve for that, gives us 4. And now, we're not done yet. This is the value of the variable. Now we know what these numbers are multiplying by, which is 4. Now we can solve for it. 2 multiplied by k is just 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8. 3 multiplied by k gives us 3 multiplied by 4, which is 12. And then 7 multiplied by k is just 7 multiplied by 4, which gives us 28. So therefore, we know that the dimensions of this cuboid is 8, 12, and 28. But am I forgetting something? I am. The unit. The unit is centimeters, so I will have to add that into my answer. And this is the dimensions of this cuboid. In the next part, they're asking us, a cuboid has side lengths in the ratio 3 to 5 to 6. Its volume is 2,160 centimeters cubed. Find its dimensions. Firstly, we're going to do the same thing as we did before. We are going to add our variables and put this in the format to find the volume of a cuboid, which that would be 3. And I'll use the variable x this time. Multiplied by x, 5 multiplied by x, 6 multiplied by x, all equal to 2,160 centimeters cubed. Because remember, our volume is length by width by height. Now, if you multiply all of these together, you would get 90x cubed, and we're going to allow that to equal to 2,160. Now I'm going to bring this 90 to the other side and do the opposite of what it is doing, which is multiplying, which is division. So x cubed is equal to 2,160 all over 90, which gives us 24. Now to get rid of this cubed, I'm going to put 24 in cube root. Our answer would be x is equal to 2.884. So with that being said, 3x would approximately be 3 multiplied by 2.884, which would equal to 8.884. 2.652. Then 5x will approximately equal 5 multiplied by 2.884, which would equal 14.420. Then 6k is approximately equal to 6 multiplied by 2.884, which gives us 17.304. Therefore, our answers are 8.652, 14.420, 17.304 centimeters. Do not forget your units. And this is your answer. And that is that. Thank you for watching.